Afternoon. Ngayon po ay June 22, 2024 Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong June 22, 2024 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Saturday, June 22, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for June 22, 2024 Saturday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 52.5 million pesos and Lotto 642 estimated jackpot price is 70 million pesos for Saturday, June 22, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of June 22, 2024 Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.